Welcome back to my channel. Today's technology speed. Hello guys. I hope all are doing fine and safe. So today I'm coming again another topics and will share with you, which is named how to protect your data whole time in Google Drive. Your data, your files, your folder, and everything, your information, how to keep secure in Google Drive. So many guys question to me and asking to me how to protect my data and lifetime. So that's the reason I am going to talk about that. So let's get started. Just go to your browser. Just write gmail.com, then enter, and you can see like that window. Now sign in your Gmail account like that. So put the mail address and password. So I have the already put my mail address. So let's only put the password. Enter. When confirm your password, then enter the button. Then you can get as like that window. Just you can coming this window now. Go to your uh, these icons, Google Maps. Just when mouse you click on, then show that. Now go to the click on, and you can see the many options, accounts, search, maps, play, news, Gmail, Meet, and many more. Now click the button of drive, right button click drive. Then you can show the another window which is name drive, my drive. So now you create a new folder like that, new folder, such store online, and you can create another folder as like that, date wise, such as today's date, 26 February 2021, like that. Now click the folder personal data. That's it was old data. Now the personal, now 2021 folder. Now click the right button, the upload the files and upload the folder. You can upload the two types like that. Folder, that means there are the many files include the folder, such as final syllabus. You can select and upload that. Now final syllabus, you can see the many files include the syllabus. That means the folder includes many files, and files only the such as some one files on documents is like that. Upload folder, documents. Okay, documents. Now you can see the many files, 72 files in the documents. You can click on the documents, then you can show the files. That means the upload wise folder wise upload. Now back, you can go the back, and documents, you can click the right button and the upload files. So click the files. So you can upload specifically file wise. That means the upload files. So just I have clicked the sum of files, selected, go to upload. Okay, keep separately. So it's accordingly to upload it, so that's the way, two ways to upload it to your data, and your data will be lifetime secure. Today the until so I did not want to much video duration, so kindly comments my videos which types of videos you want, and next I will further create making as like your comments videos. So so far you will find, so I hope all are understood very much about the topics, and the new guys who are the views my videos, kindly subscribe my channel, and all are subscribed already. Thank you. Care. I will come another topics and discuss about you. So far, thank you so much. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.